now it's story time. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was Itsy, the iguana, who loved to go icky, icky, icky. I love to go icky, icky, icky. But I have to meet my friend's infant. I have an invitation, but he lives in an igloo. Oh, I've got to go back. Let me go icky, icky, icky. So Itsy started walking, but he started feeling very cold and hungry. Oh, it's very cold. Let me get some food. Oh, I found some yummy insects. Let me eat them. Chomp, 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 chomp. But soon came out the inchworm. Hi, I am Ina the inchworm. Please don't eat me, Itsy iguana. I can be of help to you one day. Oh, what will you do? You are just an itsy bitsy inchworm. Let me gobble you down. I'm very cold as it is and I'm very hungry. Oh, please let me go. I promise I can be of really great help to you. All right, I'm let you go this time. But next time, I'm going to really gobble you down. Thank you, Itsy the iguana. Thank you so much. All right, see you soon then. Soon, Icky reached the top of the hill and he reached his friend's house who lived in an igloo. Oh, it's very cold here. It's very, very cold. But I want to meet my friend who lives in this igloo and I want to meet the infant. Oh, this infant is so adorable. Oh, I love him. But suddenly, he found a bottle of inkpot. Oh, what is this inkpot doing here near the igloo? Ouch! Itsy fell in a big pot of ink. Oh no, this really is very, very itchy. Somebody help me, this really hurts. But soon suddenly came Ina, the inchworm. Oh, how did this happen, Itsy? How did this happen? Let me get you to the doctor. Oh please, this is very itchy. Please call the doctor. Don't worry. Soon came the doctor and he gave him a big injection. Don't worry, I'll give you an injection and you'll be fine. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ina the inchworm. I feel much better now. No worries. You have a good time with your friend in his igloo and you can play with the infant now. All right, thank you. Hey Jolly, did you like the joker that we made from letter J? D, E, F and G. What are you wearing? I'm wearing a green apron. How are you? You know what? My tummy hurts. It's Xmas time. Yay! And now it's worksheet time. Alphabets are fun with your little one. Alphabets A to Z lesson plans now available with 26 videos and more than 180 downloadable worksheets. Click on the Udemy link mentioned in the description below.